What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning back into the channel. And guys, I've been a little bad at doing the updates. If you guys watched the last video, we tried raising the boost a little bit just to have a little bit of fun. We ran out of fuel, so the injectors are capping out. So the next step is to get new injectors, upgrade the fuel system, probably get a new fuel pump as well. But right now that's on pause. And for today's video, we're just gonna take the car out for a little drive, kind of talk some crap, because we're having a baby. So the car's kind of getting put on the back burner because the baby's due in the next like week or two. Right now it really is any day now. So we're getting everything prepared for baby, and the car right now is just kind of being parked. So we're gonna take the car out tonight, rip it around a little bit, kind of get some talking, but that's pretty much the update. We're having a baby. He's about to get here, and the car is just gonna be on a little bit of a timeout until the baby's here and more settled in, and then we'll be able to start modifying it, get the new injectors in, fuel system, then take it to the dyno. So let me get the car warmed up and then we'll go for a spin. Right now the car's in a good state, 7 pounds of boost, it's chilling. Couldn't raise it more than that in the last video because it was running out of boost. I mean, it was running out of fuel. So we had to leave it at 7, but still fun at where it's at. I know I had been getting questions about an update and where are the videos. It's been a month. Man, it's been a lot getting stuff ready for the baby. So it's been just a lot of little things coming up. Plus there was like a couple weeks there where in Miami it was just raining non-stop. So I really couldn't film because I don't like taking the car out in the rain. I don't want to film a video driving the car in the rain, really. So it's just been a little bit harder to film, but there is still plans for the car. The channel's not dying. It's just we're gonna take care of baby, and then after that, the car's gonna come back. The plan is to go maybe with some 1000cc injectors, upgrade the fuel pump. Not sure what fuel pump to do yet. And then also I want to do a new set of tires in the front. Little by little, just kind of getting it ready, and then sticking it on the dyno and seeing what we can do. I want to make 300, kind of leave it there chilling for a bit. I know I'm gonna get bored of it, so after that probably raise it up again. But I know a lot of you have kind of been asking the setup, so the entire setup is going to be in the description below, but in case you want to hear it, MaxPeedingRods T3 3.4 turbo. It's a Treadstone turbo manifold, stock head, stock Y8 intake manifold. We have direct bore nitrous injection. No, it has also a it's on an eBay Wastegate, RDX injectors right now, stock fuel rail. Intercooler is a CX Racing intercooler. It's just a big chunky boy. It came off of 6th Street's Kevin Supra. The intercooler pipe kit was from Treadstone as well. We have Speed Factory Racing long rods, Vitara YCP Pistons. The crankshaft is a D16 Z6 crankshaft that was remanufactured, and it had some treatment to it. I can't think of the name right now, but it had a treatment to it to kind of make it a little bit stronger. The bearings, I don't remember what bearings they were. Richard with South Florida Machining is one who's assembled the bottom end, and he got me some bearings. I don't remember if they were King's bearings or whose they were. Right now I have it on a chipped P28 with Honda Tuning Suite. I have a Hondata one as well, and that one has the boost modulation crap. So the goal is to have boost by gear coming up soon. But other than that, that's really the setup. Stock tranny. That's really it. I'm not trying to break any records with it either. I want to have a fun little single cam that can hold more than like 10 pounds of boost, and that's what we're gonna do. Just a little ripper. If you guys have any questions on what the setup is, like, feel free to let me know, but there's not much more to it realistically. That is the full configuration of the vehicle. But yeah, any questions you guys need, contact me on Instagram. Instagram is probably where you'll get to me the best. YouTube sometimes doesn't get me notifications. I'm gonna see if I can give it a couple rips here real quick, and then we'll call it a day. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in a couple months with another video on an update, hopefully putting some injectors on this and making it go faster.